us. It's almost good night, but you know, we're new at this vlogging thing, so we kind of forgot to even open the vlog up.
Or end it.
No, this is the ending.
Is this ending? Okay.
Well, they won't see this until the end. Well, maybe, I guess you're seeing it now. We pretty much had the best boat day ever.
It was such a good day.
Yes.
Great Mother's Day.
I should have worked. Oh yeah, so today's Mother's Day. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Birthday.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Mother's Day.
I should have wore sunscreen. My head hurts. Happy Mother's Day, not happy birthday. Everybody tell Mommy Happy Mother's Day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, I'll take it.
Okay, so today was epic. We took the boat out. Let's see, we flew kites. We built sandcastles. We found shells.
Dolphins.
We saw dolphins, and we captured it. You guys are gonna love this part of the vlog. We took the GoPros out. It was awesome. We just chilled and ate food, and then we celebrated Mommy. We made sure Mommy didn't have to do anything today. So
I did
yeah.
a few things though. Like I put sunscreen on the kids, and I packed us.
And me.
And you.
Wait, you didn't do a very good job, bro.
Well, half the day you told me you were allergic to sunscreen, so.
And water. All right, those are things that I'm working on. I don't like sand. I live in Florida, I don't like sand. Okay, so check out the fun we had today. Let's get started with this clip right here. The view's okay. The view's all right. It's not the greatest view in the world. I'm just kidding. It's beautiful out here. Oh my goodness, something crazy's gonna happen. Something crazy's gonna happen. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. Are those all roots from trees up there? Are those tree roots?
Plants.
That's plant roots?
Plant roots.
That's crazy.
Pretty strong. Like the kids were climbing up that one.
Yeah, whenever we first pulled up, the boys climbed up here and they were grabbing the tree roots and just lifting themselves all the way up to the top of the hill. It was pretty cool. Can you guys see the jellyfish? They're everywhere out here. There's one. There's one on my foot. Oh, there's one. Oh, he got my foot. Oh, look, she got one. Nice. So if they don't have tentacles, they don't sting. So they're everywhere out here. Not gonna be scared of. At first it's a little scary, but they don't hurt you. Do you know who else catches jellyfish out of a net?
Who?
SpongeBob. You're like SpongeBob.
No, I'm not.
You don't want to be SpongeBob? Here, let's see those shells. Show me what you got. Show me what you. Don't be shy. Look at this little puppy we found out here.
Don't be shy. He's so cute.
It's a she. I found out.
She.
It's got a pink life jacket.
It's 2020 though. It doesn't matter. Look what we got. Hi there, pups. Woo! Check it out. Dalen hit jackpot.
Look at all those.
We had a little shovel technical difficulties right there too. No big deal. That's cool. There's so many cool shells. Shells and jellyfish. That's what we have out here.
Check that out.
Let's see what you got.
That's huge.
Oh, dude, that's one of the ones you can like blow in and honk.
It's got sand in it.
Honk. Oh, did it bite you? Is there? I mean, this is boring life, you know, living at the beach, but somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to do it. Yeah, I want to go where it snows. Here's the seasons we have in Florida. Hot, a little bit hotter. Oh my God, it's too hot to go outside, and I'm gonna wear pants today. Those are our seasons. Did you pick a jellyfish up yet?
I picked that fiber.
Nice. I told you they don't sting. All right, no pressure. It's the bottom of the fourth. It's a tied ball game. Literally a tied ball game. Ha ha, bazinga. Oh, you did good. All right, 1 point. It's finally summertime. It's hot. Beach days are ahead of us. It feels so good. Not quarantined anymore. This is awesome. Okay, so tell me what the plan is for over here, Dalen. What are we doing?
I'm trying to make a village, but it's gonna be hard.
So we're gonna build like a sandcastle first, and then we're gonna just top it with shells or what?
Fill these with water?
Yes. All right. Fill these with water. Perrier water.
Decorated with shit.
All right. Mommy's on water detail. Mommy's on water detail. Okay. So you get the sandcastles built. Make some epic sandcastles. Make them as big as you can. Kason, want to go on shell duty with me? Okay. So Kason and I are gonna go on shell duty. Mom's on water duty. Daylin's building the sandcastle. All right. Now that we got a game plan, let's do this. Oh, your hair's getting in my mouth.
Welcome to my life.
Welcome to my life.
There's literally, that's our favorite word.
Litter is a favorite word.
Shells hanging out of a cliff.
I just got a good idea. Wait, hold on. Keep that thought.
Okay.
We're going to start a literally counter. That's one of the goals for the vlog is to start a literally counter.
So we need to figure out another word. Can you guys leave us comments on what another word you can use in substitution of literally?
A channel with comments. That's crazy.
I know. I hope
That's
we have
crazy.
It's insane.
All right, let me go check these shells
All right,
out. Let me go check out.
I need to.
Mommy said that there's like where the beach is eroded and it's like falling apart. All the shells from like 100 years ago are still in the sand. So let's go see if that's true. All right, I gotta climb this giant mountain. It's like an avalanche. Look, everything's just falling. Okay, I got. Oh, yeah. I'm too big to be up here, by the way. This is definitely, everything's gonna fall. Oh look, yeah, shells are just falling. So what do? They just dredge the water and they blow the sand up here?
No, I think it's the summertime erosion.
So this is just erosion then. I know some spots they'll actually pull sand from the water and then put the sand up here to make dunes, but this is natural. It's all natural. It's all, oh cool, check this out, look. All right, let's grab the rope, AKA tree branch. But look at this. The walls are just lined with shells everywhere you go. You can't help it. They're everywhere. How awesome. Dude, look at that, check it out. She was right. Shells are everywhere. That is awesome. Oh look, it gets even better up top. All right, if I die, wish me luck. I'm going up. This is the only thing I'm holding up by. Hopefully this tree doesn't give way. Check this out. As far as the eyes can see, it's just seashells everywhere. All right, you're right. There's a lot of shells up here. I'm more interested in this rope though. Check this out. Please tell me there's like a 14-foot tree on top of that mountain up there. I'm good?
Yeah, totally.
It's not like a little plant or anything?
There's totally a tree up there.
Okay, I was just making sure it wasn't like a little plant. Like a little
Yeah,
plant.
no, it's
All right,
solid roots. You're solid.
Oh, I'm coming to you.
Don't come my way.
Oh,
Go back
what?
that way. Go that way.
Oh my God, that's just a little.
Oh my God, you're about to break it.
Okay, I'm getting out of here. I'm out. Forget that. She lied to me. That's pretty cool though. Dude, I got us.
Okay, I need this one.
Is that good?
Oh, it's cracked. I use this one.
All right, so you want more flat ones? You don't want these? I worked hard. Bro, I worked hard getting these.
I do need them.
Can I just drop them off here? All right, cool. Drop them off there. All right, how we doing on shit? Oh my gosh, dude, let me see the bag. Oh, dude, that's jackpot right there. That's what I'm talking about. Nice.
There's no telling how old these are. Or you get up close. Come here.
I'm up close.
Let me see.
Look, what? Wait.
I was gonna say, some of those are probably like 100 years old.
Look, right here. Just hanging out.
That's cool.
Look at these I found.
Nice.
There's no telling. These could be
Dude, oh,
hundreds.
look, right in front of you, bro.
These could literally be hundreds of years old.
I think they are.
Can we sell them on eBay?
Can we?
My son.
Daylan straight goes, like, that's the hustle. He goes, can we sell these on eBay? They're 100 years old.
Look at this. They're just like a row of
We got a little Gary V on our hands.
Like, I feel like this is prehistoric almost, maybe. Look, like there's just a row of them.
That's cool. Yeah, those right there are awesome.
Granddaddy has found shark teeth out here before.
Okay, all right, so be on the lookout for shark teeth. If you want to look out for shark teeth, that's pretty epic. Like, I want to find the shark tooth before we leave. Oh, you found a good one better than the sand? Nah, broken. It's broken. There's a lot of cool things. They're called sand dollars. They're just like little round ones, but they're super fragile. Dude, that was a big one once upon a time.
I found like 3 really good ones down there.
Nice.
They're just laying on the ground.
Slowly digging out this really big shell.
Show me.
Okay, here we go. It's like fossils.
I feel like I'm mining.
Right.
I think you might have one.
I feel like, oh dude. Oh, it's broken.
It's broken. Daylan had a pretty one though.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a good one. A good little collection. Yeah, it's just cool.
What happens if all this like falls on top of us?
Like an avalanche. Oh, you get it in Casey's face.
Oh, no.
You get it in Casey's face. You know what's cool is like no one's ever been inside of here. So like this right here, look, I was the first one. Ready? I was the first one to get inside of there.
Mr. Chris,
Oh,
look at
nice.
this.
That's awesome.
Look, a big one.
Oh, dude, yeah, that's like a clamshell. All right, so your bag's getting a little sandy. So these bags are mesh, which is cool. So after you find all your shells, you can take it out there to the water and just rinse it off. Easy peasy, right?
Oh, I can't do it, huh? I gotta do it. Here, watch this, watch this.
Oh, dude, nailed it. You feel like Tarzan or what?
Dude, Tarzan.
Something I forgot to tell you is that's being held up by like a little 2-foot plant up there. Oh, no, that's a bad idea. Bad idea. All right, let's go. We have one more epic jump. You ready? On your mark, get set, go. Nice. I would totally grab that rope and swing across, except I'm too heavy for one, and for two, it's not a rope. It's a root. It's giving you splinters? Whenever I grabbed it, I got sap all over my hand.
It feels like it, though.
I think that may be a whole one right there. You see it? Oh my God, dude, I'm falling. I'm literally holding on just by this little root. Yeah, is it full? Is it broken? Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken.
I don't want to break it.
Oh yeah, keep digging it out. Dude, it's full.
Oh no!
Oh, dude, it's almost completely put together. Hold up so I can see it.
Look at this.
Dude, look how big this one is. What?
Holy cow.
That's a good one. Is it full?
Yeah.
Dude, yeah, put it in my little purple bucket. Dude, what causes these holes over here? Look at these holes.
Those shells
Like from the sand though?
or crab?
Oh gosh, I don't want to put my finger in there. You wait till I put my finger in there, like, oh, it's for my crab.
Finger in there, didn't you?
Oh yeah, let me see. Oh! I'm just kidding.
It's
Oh,
only broken
dude.
on the bottom, but it still looks really cool.
It's got these epic little tips on the end. That's pretty cool. So mom came back. What, you picking up all the trash off the beach? Oh, every day is Earth Day with mom. Good job. Okay, Case and buddy, you seem to be doing a little struggling. What's going on over here? What you got? Oh, dude, that's got to be at least 10, 15 pounds. Let me see those muscles. Dude, 10 pounds worth of shells? Nice. I think our castle is ready to be built. Oh, we got him. We saved him. We saved him. About to put this kite in the air. All right, ready? Oh, dude, that was a piece of cake. Piece of cake. Dude, look how good over there. Yes, I'm doing it now. How high is our kite right now, Kason? We've got almost all the string out on it, and it is way up there. see the dolphins, Kason? That was awesome. There is so many. How awesome was that? There was like 4 dolphins coming straight for us. That was pretty cool. Little baby. This is like the perfect spot to see dolphins at right here in this little area. That's why there's so many people crowding around. What was your favorite part of the day today, Mommy?
Oh man, it was all really, really good.
It was all really good? Favorite part of the day?
I think the Dolphins. Like, we drove, and then Dolphins just started like going on either side of the boat. And
there was at one point 4 dolphins just came up to the front of the boat. It was super epic. It was so awesome. What was your favorite part of the day?
I think it was either the dolphins or when we got to find those cool shells.
Oh, dude, when we walked all the way up that mountain and there was like layers and layers and layers of shells.
Prehistoric shells.
Some of those shells were probably like 100 years old. All right, Casey, what was your favorite part of the day?
Shells.
The shells? I don't know. We got that kite pretty high.
I found like a really, really, really rare.
You did. Kason brought home about 600 shells. I liked. Can we get a rest in peace for that kite that we brought out? Oh yeah, because it got tangled. We tangled it around a tree and totally crashed it, and then we lost it. Yeah, we did.
Actually, so you know how all the dunes are there?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure like a big wave or a tsunami actually came and washed up all the sand, because I actually did see a tree while me and Mom were walking down.
Oh, it was totally upside down. Like the tree was up.
Oh,
like
yeah.
At the top of the dune, and then the dirt.
Like the tree had came down.
Yes.
Like you could see the sand. Probably what happened is they were like this, and the tree like fell.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. I did notice that. I didn't even think to put 2 and 2 together. Okay, guys, here's something else we have to do. We've got to work on this. How do we sign off on this channel? Do we say like, everybody go out there and punch that like button in the face? Or,
this is how you do it.
Let's get, all right, here, right now, though, at first, everyone, let's do their own sign off, and then we'll figure it out later. So you start.
Bye.
Is that what you just?
That was it. That says bye.
Okay.
Yeah, Jason. Go,
All
Jason.
Bye.
Okay, so far we're just going with bye.
Thank you for hanging out with us. We had so much fun. And
Happy
we love sharing our lives with you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy birthday.
And we usually say we'll see you on the next one, but
yeah, we gotta figure out. We gotta figure out something with this.
I don't know.
Right now, I'm gonna say good night. Slap the like button in the mouth. Knock its tooth out. Give it a black eye. Give it a hold it and punch the like button right like that.
No.
Too much?
Yeah,
that's too much.
Slip it down now.
Maybe we should just stay with bye.
That's too much.
All right, guys. Bye.